Once upon a time in a small, dusty village nestled in the heart of a vast and arid desert, there lived a man named Raj. Raj was a poor and humble farmer who owned a small plot of barren land. His family, consisting of his wife Meera and their 2 children, struggled to make ends meet. They lived in a modest mud brick house with a thatched roof, and their daily meals were meager, often consisting of just plain rice and a few vegetables they managed to grow in their parched fields. Despite their dire circumstances, Raj was known throughout the village for his unwavering optimism and tireless work ethic. He had a dream that he whispered to his family every night before they went to sleep: "Someday, we will have a bountiful harvest, and our lives will change for the better." One scorching summer day, a wandering traveler came to the village. He was a well-dressed man who appeared to be from a far-off city. Curiosity piqued, the villagers gathered around him as he spoke of a legendary tree that was said to grant wishes. This tree, he claimed, was hidden deep within the desert, beyond the reach of the scorching sunday. It was said that whoever found this tree and made a sincere wish would have their deepest desires fulfilled. Raj, with a glimmer of hope in his eyes, approached the traveler and asked for directions to the fabled tree. The traveler warned him of the harsh journey through the unforgiving desert, but Raj's determination was unshakable. He sold a few of his meager possessions to gather enough food and water for his family and set off on his quest. Days turned into weeks as Raj ventured deeper into the blistering desert. The journey was grueling, and the odds seemed insurmountable. His family's survival depended on him, and he was determined to make their lives better. With blistered feet and a heart full of hope, Raj pressed on. Finally, after what felt like an eternity, Raj stumbled upon a lush oasis hidden amidst the desolation. At its center stood the legendary tree, its branches heavy with fragrant fruits. Raj approached the tree, offered his heartfelt gratitude for leading him there, and made his wish. "I wish for a bountiful harvest that will change the lives of my family and this entire village," he whispered. As he made his wish, the tree seemed to shimmer with a radiant light. Raj returned to his village, his heart heavy with anticipation. The journey back was just as grueling, but his determination never wavered. When he reached his village, he found a miraculous sight. His once barren fields were now teeming with lush, vibrant crops. The villagers gathered to witness the astonishing transformation, and soon, Raj's generosity and hard work led to the prosperity of the entire community. Raj's family never went hungry again. They rebuilt their home, sent their children to school, and shared their abundance with those less fortunate. Raj's story became an enduring legend, a testament to the power of unwavering determination, hope, and the belief that even the poorest among us can make a difference in the world. And so, in the heart of the desert, where once there was only despair, the legacy of Raj, the humble farmer, lived on as a beacon of hope, inspiring generations to come.